Right, we hit our first hurdle. Basically, the new controller is faulty. I tested it out. I was going with a video, and then it decided it was intermittent. So I'm going to have to get a new replacement, I'm afraid. At the moment, I've got a trusty old controller, basically from the 90s and the early 2000s. This one. So that's what we're going to use to finish off this review. I will get a new controller and I'll tell you how I got on with that. Right, let's load up the locomotive on the track for the first time. You'll probably see me going in front of the camera. Get the railer, place it on the track, get the locomotive, and then basically slide it off the railer onto the track. Railer aside, locomotive's on the rails. Right, let's give it some juice. Okay, select direction. And there she goes. Oh, it is actually a little bit of a pocket rocket because it's got a HP motor in it, so I've set it up basically half speed. You really don't need it to go any faster than that. But there she goes. Shame about the controller. I'll give you an update on that basically when we get the new controller. Alright, let's load some rolling stock on it and then we should be good. Right, now I'm going to load the rolling stock on and basically get the loco to collect it. Okay. We'll go with the consist on the box. Obviously, there's this wagon. And load that on. Yep, just rolls straight on. Really handy with that railer. And this wagon, which you already know what I did with it earlier, I'm not going to say now. Okay, if I just roll it down the railer, and there it is on the track, coupled up, remove the railer, and let's couple her up. Put it in reverse. Oh, there's a couple. Put it in forward motion. And there she goes with her rolling stock. There she goes. Yeah, that's a lot better. So that is the Hornby's Christmas train set, Coca-Cola train set, complete. But I'm going to add these two wagons, but that'll be for another video under the Christmas tree. Right, okay, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.